Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Build and Drive, where I'm going to show you guys how to replace your power steering fluid. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to learn how to maintain your BMW, consider subscribing, save some money, learn how to do this yourself, and don't waste your time going to the dealership. So every couple of years, you'll want to be changing your power steering fluid. If it's dark, if it smells burnt, you want to swap that out. It is a hydraulic fluid, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. Save yourself some money, do this on your own. This is your power steering reservoir. As you can see, it says you need CHF 11S only. You can Google the part number and you can get some liquid moly stuff, but the CHF 11S Pentosan fluid is really good. I'll have a link down below for the stuff that I use. You want to check to see if the liquid is clean. I just replaced mine, so it's good to go. But you can see there's different levels here. You want it to be not over this line here, but just here, because there's a cold and a hot. But what you need to do, the best way I found to flush this all out is, if you want to do it a really cheap way, just get some sort of suction thing, suck the fluid out of here, pour it in, turn on your car for a second, turn it off, pour some more in, suck it out, repeat the process. But a better way to do this is to just flush this out. This reservoir gets sent down to some hydraulic lines down there where there is a steering rack. So here are the hydraulic lines that run to the steering rack right here. And what this does is it sends pressure either to here or to here in order to make the steering rack move left and right. So that's how your steering rack works. It sends pressure to one side or the other to help assist in turning the car. And over here, as you'll see, there's a little bolt here. And what you can do, I think it's a 7mm bolt. Yeah, this is too big. So first thing you need to do, jack up the car on both sides, put it on jack stands so the front wheels are in the air. And then you're gonna get under here and you're gonna undo this bolt and let this drain into a container. And what you can do is turn the wheel left and right to full lock until all the fluid is out. Then you're going to reattach this and you're going to fill up the reservoir with fluid and turn on the car and turn the wheels left and right while adding fluid, not to overfill it, but just to make sure there's enough fluid in there until the whining in the power steering pump goes away. So there are a few ways you can do this. I suggest getting under the car and draining it completely to make sure that you have almost all of the fluid out. And when you go to full lock, it pushes that fluid out, or most of it out, into the container. And then you can fill it up with new fluid. Again, turn on the car, turn the wheels left and right while adding fluid. And that's pretty much how you flush your power steering fluid. It's as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tech tip, and we'll see you guys in the next maintenance video. See you later.
Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out my other video tutorials on my channel. If any of these videos were helpful to you, consider dropping a like and sharing these videos on social media to help other BMW owners save money fixing their cars. See you guys in the next video.